Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. Here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Cancer. Cancer 2024 September. So here we are. Cancers are all in their power. They're feeling very good about themselves. Probably also they're thinking of a lot of things that they need to do or they always wanted to do in their life. They will be able to do now. Okay, now let's see what we have in the near future. Lot of new opportunities coming, Cancer. Don't feel to take a leap of faith. Okay, don't fear to take a leap of faith. So first week, second week, third week and fourth week. Okay, so first week of September is going to get more projects, more work, more money earning options, more doors opening. You will also build something that you always wanted to build. Probably you will build, you were thinking of building a house, you'll build, you were thinking of building an office, you were thinking of building your own business. Anything that you always wanted to build, brick by brick, you are going to do that and you are going to get the finances to do that. Okay, it's a very good week for you. Very valuable, very constructive week for you. Second week will come off a time where you will have to work more hard than what you were doing. Suppose you were giving your 100%, you will have to give 200% now. Okay, lot of hard work, but this hard work is going to give you a lot of happiness, lot of satisfaction, lot of abundance. Okay, here do not think that I'm working very hard, why I'm not getting results, probably all the hard work that you put now in this week will manifest in another few weeks or few months. This 1 week is going to give you a lot of hard work, but you will feel the work is stuck. It's not moving forward. I'm doing so much, it's not moving forward. But do not think that way. Whatever you do in this week will give you results in another few months or few weeks further. Okay, not now. But this is not going waste because this is really very positive for you. Third week is all about you feel little stuck in circumstances. Probably like I said, you've done so much hard work. Now what to do? Now what if I move and everything goes waste? What if all this that I have done and all these people around me, I can't move, I feel very stuck, I feel I regret this. Or the other situation could be that somebody will put you in such a situation because that person wants to control you, wants to manipulate you, or wants to bring you down. So please be very careful of that situation. Okay, now you are in the situation, you need to judge it properly. Do not regret all the hard work that you've put. Okay, people are stuck in certain negative situation, might have a lot of fears. There are certain people who are trying to throw a lot of negativity at you because they are very jealous of you. So they will try to trap you into situations that will be very toxic. Okay, so what you need to do, Cancerians, at this time, you need to just connect with someone spiritually. Probably you can seek help of a guru, of an astrologer, pandit, or somebody like a tarot card reader like me or healer like me who can bring you out of this situation. Only your spiritual side will help you here. Okay, you really have to be, and also I feel you really have to be very strict about your right and wrongs. There are certain kind of rules that we are grown up with, okay, in any religion that we belong to. So that rules, that honesty is going to bring you out of this situation. All right, so the fourth month is all about you feeling a little negative, you're looking in the negative direction, you're getting angry very fast, trigger very fast. Okay, you need to keep your mind calm because this will be the end of all the issues that you're going on with. So if you are a little calmer, you will be able to see and communicate clearly and things will get properly solved. Okay, so yes, this month is coming with abundance, but at the same time it's teaching you a lot of karmic lessons. Let's see what we have in your relationship area. Sorry, I have a lot of noise around me because I have a school in front of my house where I record and too much of noise. So let's see what we have for married and unmarried people in the month of September. Alright, let's see. Now for married people, I feel they are taking a lead in healing their relationship. If there is something that was blocking, which they did not acknowledge about their relationship or about themselves, they are now going to take a full big step to, so that their relationship are very happy and balanced. They will take a big step as to, cleaning their aura. They will take a very big step to moving forward and balancing and healing their relationship. In this journey, I'll tell you, please clean your aura. Your aura is affected by all that negativity that has happened with you in your relationship area. So please clean your aura. Nothing, if you don't want to do anything else, just do this. Cut, 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 cut below your feet, cut, and say any mantra that you believe in. Okay, this will be really, really beneficial. Rest everything for married people. I think people who are in proper relationships will go fine. Now for people who are single, throat chakra, you need to speak out. Lot of fears, lot of trust issues, you are fearing that what has happened in the past will happen again. There is a person in front of you, you're not ready to commit because you're still holding on to your fears. There are dreams of having a wonderful relationship, but you still cannot connect. So just go into nature, just do a little meditation, do your grounding, seek help. That is what I will say for you. Okay, generally I feel this month is going to bring a lot of healing. You're going to release your past, you're going to manifest for something more stable in your life, and whatever you are, see, you have to put efforts in any relationship. Without any efforts, nothing is going to happen. So people who don't put efforts, they really need to heal, let me tell you. So here there's a lot of nurturing energy. Nurture yourself, ground yourself, you will find your solutions. So in this month, nothing much, but yes, you're healing and you're healing. Okay, so let's see what message we have from Ganeshji for you. Divine support. So you are divinely guided. Wow, that's Shivji and Ganeshji together, father son. So if there is something that needs to be healed in your father area or father son area, please heal it now, because that is blocking your life, and Ganeshji is helping you in manifesting things in your life. So is Shivji. So yes, they both are there guiding you. Don't worry. Yes, that's all for today. Please follow me on X, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Take care.